Welcome back to Thunderclap Weather, and today is August 13th, 2024, and we're going to be taking a look at Tropical Storm Ernesto and what it means for the weather in the coming 2 or 3 days. So here we are looking at Ernesto, and it is looking like it's going to curve away from the U.S. and head towards the east and away from everyone, so that's good news. But there is a chance it could curve up into the Gulf, but I really doubt it because there is a jet stream that we'll cover in just a second. And so here's another great look of Ernesto, and it is very large, almost as large as the southeast. And here's another graph of where it's going to curve away because there is a jet stream pushing down south and to the east, so it should push it away from everyone, and that would be a great thing. So we'll keep our eyes on that. And so here we have the 6 to 10 day temperature probability outlook, and we have a lot of 40 to 60 degree weather across Illinois and the states around it, like Ohio and stuff like that, as well as cold in California and very hot in Central Texas, and a little bit of a heat wave in Montana, as well as Idaho getting down to 54. This is the minimum temperatures, as well as all the way down to 51 in Southern California, which is pretty crazy because it was like 108 degrees yesterday right there. So definitely some volatile weather. And then we do have that jet stream pushing down, keeping the heat to the south and the cold air to the north. And so I do think it will push it away from everyone. And there's another example of Tropical Storm Ernesto. And it could go underneath the jet stream, but I really doubt it. And that's just my opinion. And so here we have the maximum temperatures, and it is going up to 108 again in Southern California, and all the way into 97 in Lower Alabama, aka LA, not the LA in California. And also we got 103 degrees in Texas, as well as 82 degrees all the way up to Maine. So it's going to be a pretty hot one today. And we do have some excessive heat warnings in Idaho and some flood watch in New Mexico, I'm sorry. And we also have flood watches, so definitely a lot of rain there. And we also have some excessive heat warnings in Oklahoma where the storm has passed through. So once the storm that's in Arkansas right now passes through, it should heat up afterwards. And also some heat advisories along the east coast of Florida. So definitely stay hydrated in South Florida. I know it gets extra hot in Florida compared to everywhere else due to the humidity and closer to the equator. And also we have some flood warnings in the Carolinas, so lots of rain. And then this storm that's in Arkansas now will be heading and giving them even more rain in the coming weeks. So here we have this storm we were talking about, and it's riding the jet stream on the bottom side of it, so it should push into Tennessee maybe tomorrow or the next day. And here's just another look at the clouds showing the jet stream, a better look at it. And here we have the high and low temperatures in a time lapse for you. And so it is one of the hotter times of the year for the country, and next week should be the hottest time of the year. So definitely drink plenty of water and try to stay out of the direct sun. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow.